Welcome to Mosintech. Today we are going to create a simple and a very basic and most important knowledge subjects with the help of HTML and CSS. In this we also create and header and footer and etc. With the help in this I also learn how is the working of display flags etc. So I hope you will get lot of knowledge about CSS and HTML, and this is the most important topics. There's topics display flags, header, footer, and etc. They are so important in our formation of in the formation of websites of with the help of CSS. So let's to start with the help of CSS. So first of all I want to create an file of index.html, and I want to create I also create a CSS file index.css. So in HTML file I want to put a basic code of HTML. So I also want to link it with the with CSS. So in you need to write link and then paste it a path. So first of all I want to create a path and put it into the HTML file. So first of all what we need to do, so I want to create a main. I also make it better than this website. So let's start. So I want to create a div for as a container and other div as a header, and I want to take it a class whose name container, and the other div I want to take it ID header. So in this I want to make it professional, remember that. So h1 and in you notice that has other color. So here I want to span and that and end of this I want to create a unordered list which consists of list home, features, pricing, contacts, home, features, contacts, pricing, and the other is pricing about us. So that is so basic code. This is our header. So in this section I want to make it more specify, and then I want to take a and I want to going to live. This is our code, and now I am going to header ID header. In this I want to make it display flags direction column. What is that mean? So I want to display row. Control S and then save, and we can see that's in a perfect way. So now what we need to do in this, I want to take another list. It is the parent of lists, and it I take it as a element. So list display flex flex direction row. So control S, save, and then we can see that it's in a row shape. So justify content in our header. I am going and I'll paste sequence center. Control S, and then we can see. So that is not. I want to put it align items center. Control S. We see that all of these items in the same row. So it is the main div. You can see. Now I want to make it more specific. So I want to take these things to auto. Now I want to take list items. List items in which each of lists becomes to appear. List display flex decoration, text decoration, sorry, text decoration none. So control S, then we can see the text decoration which appear as a dot becomes to none. So we need to make display flex and sorry, here we need to display flex and flex. We need to do a gap. Here I want to put a float right. What we need to do, you can see it's not working. Sorry, I want to make it take it here, float right. Control S. So it is not working. Why it is not working? So I want to gap it, take it gap, 20 pixel. Control S, then we can see it is not working yet. Why? Gap 20 pixel. I hope here it is working. Sorry, it's working very well. So I want to its gap, I want to increase this gap 30. Control S, you can see it's looking better, and I want to increase this bold size. Text bold, no bold, no, I want to bold it, bold. No, I want to font weight, font size. I can take it font size 30 pixel. Control S. What we need to, that's looking better, but I want to make it more specific. Here I want to take it class heading 1. I want to copy it Control C and then take it here. I want to take it Control V. It's a class, so for class I also take it dot. Here I want to give it a class, and its class I want to make it font size bold 50 pixel. Control S, and I want to Control S. Here you can see that's looking better. So you notice that here it is not hovering. Now we are going to hovering it. Cursor point, Control S. I hope it's working. You can see it's working better. Here I want to take it a span and take it a color, whole name, color I want blue. Control S, then we can see it's looking better. But I want to take it a cursor pointer, Control S. You can see it's working better and everything looking better. Now I want to take it color blue for each. Color blue, so you can see its color becomes appear, has been appeared. So the next thing I want to create is that next section. So in our index.html I want to create another div. In this div I want to take it class child div. Okay, and now we are going to make its this part. So I want to take a image such like that, and I want to create a button and a task app or a text. So in this text I want to create two divs, one for text and other for image. You can see it look like this. So in this div I want to it's nitty and gritty it's and gritty. Okay, sorry, there's it's a paragraph, it's gritty. And then right below I want to create a h1 div whole name, a task app that does not stink. That does not stink. So right below this I want to create a button, click me, and then watch a video. Notice that here I want here I want to create a paragraph, video, and here I need also to take a select at its image. So I'm going to up back. If I want to take a image like that. Here I have a OCS. Here I need to some image. Here where, oh my image, sorry, it's not working well. Here this image, I want to take this image, copy, and I want to go my here data, here I want to paste it. I want to messaging. Okay, here you can see I have messaging image. So I want to take it here, image, messaging image. So I put it here, and I want to make it as appeared. You can see all of these things becomes appear. So I want to take these two divs here. Here you can see it's a main div and the other div is fun. So this div is, I want to class it. I want to use a child fun, and other I want to make it class child 2. So these are our classes to our divs. So I want to take it, control C, and I want to take here in our CSS. For class I also write dot, and I want to take it, control C, and I want to with 100%. okay, so in this I want to child 1, control C, and here I want to take it, control V with 50%. okay, and then control C, and I want to take control C this, and then control V with control S. You can see I want to take the parent div 100% width, and the child, both child takes 50% width, and what they will do. So we can see here, first of all I am doing something like that, display flags and flags direction and row. okay, now I am going and doing such like that. That's looking better. So I want to take it background color gray type, color gray, control S, and then you can see it's take a beautiful color, and I want to make its height 100 pixel, control S, then you can see it's looking better. So I want to take it reflex, justify content, center, line items, center, Control S. You can see all the items becomes appear as center. Margin, no, I want to margin auto. Control S. No, it is not working better, so I want to delete it. I want to make these things at the center, so I want to apply here. Justify content center. This thing is not working at here because I want to appear as display flex and center line items center. Control S, and then you can see all these things, and here I want to take it flex direction. Gives it flex direction. Row, no, sorry, column. Control S, then you can see it's working better. Now I want to break it, so for breaking this I want to here BR in our H1, so it's working better. So and the next I want to make it, you can see it's working good, but I want to take it as center, so I want to take this thing, Control C, and I want to put it here, Control V, Control S. Then you can see it's working good, it's looking better. So I want to hovering it, and I want to styling some to the button. I want to cursor pointer, Control S. Then you can see hovering is working. In this thing I am going to class to do paste to give it a class, class name button 1. Take this button and Control V, and I want to make it some padding 20%, 20 pixels, sorry, and Control S, here Control S. You can see, oh, it's working, sorry, it's I want to fix 15 pixels. Oh, it's looking better. So I want to make it border 1 pixel solid. Here I want to paste it border radius. It's looking beautiful, and a border radius 5 pixel. You can see it's looking better, but I want to take it give it I want to give it cursor pointer, circle point S. So you can see here its cursor is applied. So now I want to give it some styling, styling. So I want to take it I want to take it a background color yellow. Control S. Then you can see it's looking better, and then I want to make hover here, hover. So I want to take button 1. So I want to hover, and here background color aqua. So it's, I hope it's working. You can see it's working better. So now I want to give it some styling to the I want to give some styling to the this child one. I want control C, and here I want to control V and hover and color red to all of the text. So you can see if I am going to hovering, then all of the color becomes changed. So I want to, when I am going to the list, then its color becomes to change. However, background color red is looking beautiful. So when I'm going to the, you can see, oh sorry, I want to make it background nothing. I want to color, take it, give it color to the text color. For text I also write color, and for background I also write, we also write background color. So you can see it's working better and it's looking better. Now we are going to create some other div such like that, which is looking like this. This is the most important page, and here I can do something such like that. So I want to make a big div here, and the other div whose name is, I want to create total 4 divs. First one as a parent, second as a child, third as a child, and fourth as a child. So I want to take it some classes. Here I want class it multiple sessions, multiple session now. So here I want to make it class multiple one. I want to give it class people 2, class people 3. You can see it's look better, and I want to take it and control C, and I want to make some styling on it. So it's class, so control V, and this is the styling way. So first of all I want to make it as a, I want to make it give it a width 100%, and then display flex. So and the other thing I want to do is flex traction is raw. Okay, you can understand it, I hope so. Here I want to take it some, I want to take it control C, and here I want to make it some styling, control V, and with 50%, and the other I want to take this class, control C, and I want to take it here, control V, and the other with, I want to, no sorry, I want to create 3Ds, so I want to take it 25%, 25, sorry 35 and 30 with 35%, 70%, this and this takes 30%, 70%, and the other third one takes takes with not 30, it takes 30%. So you can see here I want to make it 30%. I want to take it 33, give it 33 and give it 33, so it's become 99%, and the full width is 100%. So I want to make it some such like that, and here I want to put the image and image in. First I want to put image. Sorry, I want to what I want to take this, no, as a second JPG. I want to take as a JPG, and the in other one I want to give it image second. The third one is, what is this? Third one I want to make better than. I want to take this, give it best about. To third I want to image best about us. Here I want to make and if I control S, done. I want to, sorry, now if I'm going, you can see this takes position as I wish. So I want to take some width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. I want to copy and paste in all images. Control C and I want to paste it here. Control V and I want to paste it here. Control V, Control C, Control S, and then we can see, oh, it's looking too small, so I want to make it 100 100 100 100 100 100 100. Control S, and then we can see it's looking better, but it's too small.